In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide price in Shopify. This is a simple change you can make directly inside your theme editor, and it is a great option if you want customers to contact you for pricing or if you are building a catalog-style store. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, and then select Themes. This area shows the theme that is currently live on your store. You will be working with your active theme, since that is what customers see when they visit your site. Next, find the active theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can control what appears on different pages. Give it a moment to load fully, because the left sidebar and the preview window need to sync. Once you are in the editor, go to the top drop-down menu that controls which page template you are previewing. Use that drop-down to navigate to a product page. This is important because the price is usually controlled in the product template, not in general theme settings. Now look to the left-hand sidebar. Under the section typically labeled Product Information, you will see a list of blocks that make up the product page layout, such as Title, Price, Variant Picker, and Add to Cart. Locate the block labeled Price. To hide the price, click the eye icon next to the price block. When the eye icon is toggled off, that block will no longer display on the product page. If your theme allows it and you prefer a permanent removal, you can also delete the price block entirely. Hiding is often the safer choice if you might want to show the price again later. After that, review the preview on the right to confirm the price is no longer visible. Make sure you are checking the main product area and not confusing it with other elements like compare it pricing or cart details. Finally, repeat the same idea for other places where product prices can appear, especially on the home page. Use the editor to switch to sections like Featured Product or Collection, open the section settings in the left sidebar, and look for any price-related block or setting. Toggle the visibility off there as well, so pricing stays consistent across your store. That covers everything you need to know.